On this episode, I cut the hose, I fabricate the bumper, then I left my GoPro behind. Almost lost it. Welcome back. Welcome back to a welder's journey. On today's episode, I'm gonna show you how my day is from start to end. So here I am in the work parking lot chilling because I always arrive early because I take my daughter to school, blah blah blah. I chill in the parking lot and I go inside and punch in. I think I have a rusted out light box to fix on a truck, but since I'm a welder mechanic, my days are always unpredictable. Sometimes we have a breakdown or something like that, they need me and I do mechanic work. I don't mind, but I prefer welding. But hey, join me on my day and stick around. Good morning, Omar. How are you doing? Here's my toolbox. Omar, I heard you have a special tool. Show me.
Yeah, this is the special tool for the day. BFH.
BFH. Here we are at the first job of the day. It's a rusted out bumper. Normally I just cut out the faceplate and make a new one. But then my manager suggested it's not worth saving it anymore. Cut it out and make a new one. Right after I helped my colleague with this stubborn tire. Time for the 9:30 break. My supervisor just told me we have a breakdown and I need to change out a hydraulic hose. So I'm grabbing what I think I need, heading over there and see the situation. Leo, c'est deux service block mediano. So we have a blown hydraulic hose down there somewhere. And then remove it and swap it out really quick so we can continue onto the bumper light project. Well, it's not that bad. Just kidding. It's always bad. We can make most of our hydraulic hoses in-house, so I'm just gonna hop by the warehouse and let them make one for me. Dito rin tayo si Wega, what's the medium hose na wadra? Vapor? Vapor? Si? No. Cuma lebih bidi. Mau menos dami ito bong? Si. Okay. No. The hose pro. Aquí. Yes. Bro. No. Anybody knows how old this snap-on is? Please tell me in the comment section. I'm curious.
Yeah.
Right?
Poi vedevo io si può stare là.
Yeah, Michael, thank you so much. Feliz Navidad. Oh, oh, Feliz Navidad. Oh, oh. Okay, this is where we want it. 3/4 full. Let's give it a shot. Try it out before the driver goes back to work. Alright, this truck is good to go. Let's get back to our bumper project. I still gotta remove the old one and fabricate the new one. After the plans have changed, I gouged the shit out of it. I removed it. So I'm gonna fabricate a new one and be done with this, hopefully today. Here we are, walking at the metal shop. No forklift today, so we have to walk. Sometimes you do what you gotta do. Use wedges to level up the bumper. Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock. See how much stuff I got to pick up now. Here lies the bumper. Almost done. Few touch-ups and the flaps here and there. The weld looking nice. Really good quality. Tomorrow I have to finish patching up the lower piece of this fender because it was also rusted out. But that's for tomorrow. Let's start by cleaning up my mess. That's how I left the table. Here I set up the GoPro so I can record myself cleaning up and tidying up. But silly me, I punched out and left it behind, recording at that. Thanks to my supervisor who saw it and brought it inside. And that was my day at work. Omar, how was your day today?
Woo, hectic, man.
It's every day, man. It's fucking every day. I want to be a shoe salesman. Who needs a shoe salesman?
When your mother tells you, learn. No, you don't want to listen.
Go to school. No, I want to be a mechanic. Fuck.
See you, my friend.
Hey, take care, man. I'll see you next time, boys.